Well, this was a bright idea of mine, wasn't it? Hi, Walking Writer here with a quick video update. It's November 7, 2019. I'm by the Mohawk River in Little Falls, New York. A week ago on Halloween evening we had a big rainstorm here. The river is overflowing, so I took a video on November 3rd, a few days ago. So I'm just here to show you the before and after. That's the remains of the old aqueduct that used to be in Little Falls, New York. Here we are along the canal portion near Lock 17. The guard gates in the distance are up. We have water flowing again. So the geese will be happy. And here's a view of the guard gates from the other side of the bridge. Some bad news, I think there's some snow mixing with this rain. But that's life here in the Northeast. Well, this was a bright idea of mine, wasn't it? Okay, I'm at the Canal Harbor in Little Falls in Rotary Park. It's covered with mud, so I'm not going to walk around, but I'll take a few pictures and show you. But I'm not getting any closer because I'm wearing sneakers and it's getting kind of gross around here. This is the Little Falls Canal Harbor. I'm on the nearby lawn standing. I'm not going over there. It's all covered with mud. But this is kind of what it looks like now. Of course, the canal's closed now. It closed mid-October, I believe, so we don't have to accommodate any boaters. Alright, I'll call this video quits for now. We got a mixture of rain and snow coming. And I'm freezing a little bit, so I'm going to go get a cup of coffee and go home. So we'll catch you on the next video. Take care. Bye. We don't want the snow. Make it disappear.